cases, no? So let us, it's time to let our justice system take its course, no? Let DOJ, other concerned agencies do its job, no? Nasa kanilang bola, yung bola nasa kanilang kamay na po yun. But again, sabi ko nga, like him or not, no, subject of debates, yung diskarte po ni Pangulong former President Duterte. But again, yung ako, yung pag-ako niya for responsibility, yung kumbaga the buck stops with me. At least hindi siya nagturo ng iba, no? Sabi niya, he'll be answerable. No? Yun lang ang nakita kong naging para sa akin, still commendable na at least hindi ka nagturo ng iba, no? Na
sarili na
you took on the ayun, inako mo yung responsibilidad. Sabi niya, akong responsable dito.
Nasya ba kayo, sir, dun sa mga admission ng dating Pangulo? Do you think incriminating yung kanyang mga admission dahil under oath nga yung lahat ng sinabi niya?
Well, sinasabi naman niya yan lagi, no, sa mga speeches niya, lalo nang siya po ang Pangulo. So ngayon lang, under oath, no? That's the difference. So again, it's subject of debates whether incriminating or not. Again, sabi ko nga, let our justice system function, take its course. Nandun na po yun, nasa DOJ and other agencies na po yun, yung appreciation nila. Whether there is basis already to file cases or not.
So, do you have any concern dun sa sinasagawang parallel investigation ng Senate sa war on drugs? Kasi dun sa first hearing, may isang police na nag-akusa na parang inudyukan lang siya or pinressure para ikumpirma yung sinabi ni Garma na may reward money involved dun sa mga dun sa pagpatay ng mga drug suspect. So, may mga inaakusahang kongresista. So, may nakikita bang concern dito sa parallel investigation?
Siguro I would agree with, siguro sabi ni minority leader, mukhang wala nang susunod, no? That I think they are already satisfied with what, with all the information that they got.
Meron pa daw, sir?
Kung meron o wala, ako personally, I think, kung if you can cut it short, no, we all know for a fact, reality is that if it's a Senate or a House investigation, it's politically charged. Hayaan na natin yung mga concerned agencies to do their work, no, with all the information and the facts that have been discovered, no, nung nakarang hearing. So, mas maganda kasi ako personally na nakakalungkot ang aga ng political tawag dito, bickerings, napakaaga, naaga ng mga yan. We cannot move forward as much as possible. I do not want to get to dip my hands into it, no, kasi trabaho na tayo, daming problema, no, dito lang sa UAC implementation, ang dami pa nating mga dapat infrastructure na dapat natin maghabol, ang dami nating problema and all of these political bickerings are not helping on our direction, no? Nakakagulo ang aga, kalahati pa lang ng wala pa tayo sa half of term, nagsimula na yung political. Kung siguro 1 year before, katanggap-tanggap sayang yung productive year sana natin. Di ba rin yung 1 year na political bickerings, at least may 5 years time productive, ngayon 2.5 pa lang, nagsimula na. Nangihinayang ako, kaya nga as much as possible, I do not want to get involved in this political squabble, political bickerings, because there's still a lot of challenges, a lot of problems that need to be addressed.